new for this academic year. And now I would like to introduce you all to the Board of Directors of Team Kizats. Firstly, I would like to introduce you to Mr. V. Lakshmikant sir. He is the director who works tirelessly on implementing the new ideologies and new thought process for the student community. Next, I would like to welcome our managing director cum correspondent, Mrs. Priya, who leads the team from the front with her futuristic ideas and goals. She is definitely the engine who drives the Team Kizats. Nextly, I would like to welcome Director Mrs. Anuradha, who backs up all the operations of Kizats group of schools and who is a pillar of strength to all of us. So this is our Board of Directors. And as known, any school or any organization who runs with a long-term goal, who runs with a clearly defined future, they will definitely have a vision in their organization. Just like that, Team Kizats also has a well-defined vision, which says as Kizats is committed to provide unparalleled academic ecosystem that incorporates continuous improvement, innovative learning systems to deliver and drive home the knowledge into the young leaders. We believe that in bringing up a responsible child is the first step in bringing up a responsible society. So this clearly defines the vision of the school and also like how futuristic and how long-term the goal has been placed. And in the education sector, the first wing was the preschool wing that we had started. So as you all will know, we will call ourselves a master when we talk about our preschool wing. Starting up with a humble batch of children in an auspicious day in 2009, we have come up a long way till now, enriching our expertise with different set of parents and with different set of children every year. So we are happy to tell you that we started with a handful of children in the year 2009, and now we stand tall with a count of 300 plus students across our preschool wing. And throughout these 11 years, we have learned a lot through our own mistakes and our well-wishers' guidance, and now we are extremely content on seeing every children who passes out of the school. We are glad that our efforts are seen as outcome through our Kizadians. And as you all know, one-on-one attention and concentrating on every child individually is the biggest asset that we follow in Kizats. There is no longer it's not a work plan that we define for the entire pre-KG or for the entire KG children. But in the real time, we work one-on-one with every children, identifying their potential, identifying what is their strength, and we work towards that. And again, as you will know, at Kizats, it's not just learning about ABCD or it's not just learning about 1, 2, 3 and numbers. Once the child is in Kizats, we ensure that the child is developed as a whole. Right from their behaviors, right from their communication, right from their co-curricular activities, be it a sport activity or be it a dance or be it a drama, whatever. So we ensure that there is a 360 degree of development in each and every child, and the child develops as a whole and not just in the academic sector. And obviously, all the preschool wings, we have a colorful ambience, an attractive ambience with friendly staffs who are more like second mom to all the children.